Hi guys, hello and namaste everyone. So guys, the full moon that was day before yesterday, the energies of this full moon is today also. So behalf of that, let's have a general energy check. Let's see what energy comes up. Oh, beautiful message. Man holding a coin. So just because it is written as man doesn't mean this is only for men, for boys. No. Someone holding a masculine energy, a very male energy, this is for them. So this can be a girl or a lady also. They are thinking a lot about their career, their finances. Great thing. Maybe how to invest, or it can be anything, or how to earn more, or how to save, and it can be anything, but nice energy. For some of them, what I'm channeling is maybe someone with this energy who is quite experienced may come in your life, and they may advise you, they may counsel you how you can invest, how you can save your money, or how you can earn more money. This can be also a thing. Wow, beautiful message. The sun. So new projects, something new, maybe a new energy because new year has started, and you wish to do something new. And I also see some of your, for some of them, your wishes are getting fulfilled, but you are willing a lot to do something new, or you want to transform yourself into something new. This is what I'm sensing. Something, that old me, I want to just let go of. I want new, in something new in me, like that. Okay, yin yang. So a lot of them, I would say, over here, they will bring balance within their energies, within them, that is their feminine and masculine energies. Because yes, in life, whenever if we want to live a life, both of these energies should be balanced, because both of these energies are equally important. If one of the energies is dominating the other also, at times, because this is why some people are too logical, some people are too emotional. But where to be emotional, where to be logical, practical, this you need to understand. For this, you need to balance these, your feminine masculine energies that are within you. So many of them have realized it, and they will start working. This is what I'm sensing over here. Okay, the magician in the mirror. Wow, this is another beautiful message. So now you have realized that you are only the magician of your own life. You just have to look into the mirror, and you need to go within yourself, that till the date, what have you manifested because of your thoughts, or whatever you're thinking or saying, or whatsoever it is. Beautiful. You have realized it.